In this lesson, we're going to write our first GraphQL query. But first, let's understand what is GraphQL Query. Well, GraphQL Query is basically used to read and fetch the data. If you consider REST API, then you know we have a GET method to read the data. Now in the GraphQL, we have query to read or fetch the data. So if you first come to this page, then you'll see a preloaded query here. Just remove this. And now let me tell you the syntax of query. First of all, you need to add the query keyword, which you can get via GitHub Graphical Intelligence feature. Alright, then we'll add the opening and closing square brackets. And inside this, we'll write our fields which we want to get. So first, what I'm going to do is, I'll use the viewer field here. You can use the intelligence feature by using the control and space key. Alright, now inside this viewer field, we'll add some fields like ID and name. Now you are thinking, who is viewer? Well, viewer is actually you. If you are logged in via GitHub, then it means you are a viewer. Now if we run this query, then we will see a response here for ID and name, and the name value is null. So to retrieve the value for a name, we need to go to our GitHub profile, and there we need to provide a name. Again, if we switch to our graphical and play the query, then this time we'll get the ID as well as the name in the JSON format. Now let's add some other fields. So we'll choose control space and pick some fields like avatar URL, login, and created add fields. Okay, again, if we run this query, then this time we'll get the response according to the query that we have specified. We can also give a name to our query. Let's name it my first query. Then again run this and we'll get the same result, and the name of this query will not affect our response. It's just used to make your query user friendly so that it's easy for you to read the query. So far we have covered the GraphQL query. Now I'll see you in the next lesson.